Andre the Investorian back with another video. And we finna talk about the king of DeFi, Terareum. July, last month, was huge for Terareum. We had the Terra pool to come out. And we had a 20 quadrillion token burn. It couldn't get no better than that. As I look at Twitter, yesterday, Milton said it's going to be even huger in August. Man, I can't wait. I can't wait to see what Terareum got up their sleeve, man. If you ain't on this project, I don't know what you doing. Terareum is doing its thing. #1 in liquidity across top 10 exchanges. You can't get no better than that. I'm sorry. You can't. Terareum is up there with Shiba to me. Terareum is up there with the top coins and crypto. I love Terareum and I love everything about it. That's what I'm going to say. We got a lot of stuff coming out. We still got the Terra card coming out. We still got the blockchain coming out, the Terra blockchain. Terra wallet. It's just a lot of stuff, man. If you ain't on this coin, I don't know what you're doing. Wait a minute, I'm going to say it. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm advising you to get on Terareum. I don't know what you're waiting on. And I don't know what you're waiting for. This is Andre the Investorian. I'm out. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Andre the Invest. And also, in the description, hit my sponsor links. Self is a credit booster. They help you boost your credit. And also click on Robinhood. You get 2 free stocks when you sign up under my link. This is Andre the Investorian. I'm out. Have a nice day.